OnDeck Honest Review, watch before using. In today's video, we're diving into a straightforward review of OnDeck, the online lender primarily serving small businesses with fast, accessible financing. First, let's talk about what OnDeck offers. They specialize in two core products: term loans and lines of credit. For term loans, you're looking at borrowing amounts between $5,000 and $250,000, with terms up to 24 months and an APR range that can be high depending on your credit profile, business age, and financial history. The line of credit allows you to draw up to $100,000, ideal for managing cash flow or covering short-term expenses. One of the main draws of OnDeck is speed. You can apply online in minutes, and, if approved, funding can hit your account as quickly as the next business day, a major advantage for businesses needing urgent cash. Now, who is OnDeck best suited for? OnDeck primarily targets small to medium-sized business owners with consistent cash flow, but may struggle to get approved by traditional banks. Requirements are relatively straightforward. They ask for at least 1 year in business, a minimum personal credit score of 625, and $100,000 in annual revenue. OnDeck considers more than just your credit score, so newer businesses or owners with less than perfect credit might still have a shot. However, be mindful of the costs. While the application process is fast and accessible, the interest rates can be high, especially for those with lower credit scores or inconsistent revenue streams. Additionally, they charge an origination fee on term loans, which can add to your total costs. Let's briefly discuss transparency and service. OnDeck is relatively upfront about costs compared to some alternative lenders. Their platform allows you to view all fees, and their customer service team is available to clarify any terms, which is a plus if you're new to business financing. However, keep in mind that OnDeck's rates are among the higher end in this space, so it's wise to compare them with other options before committing. They do offer perks for loyal clients, such as a discounted rate on future loans, which can benefit repeat borrowers. So to wrap it up, OnDeck is a solid option for businesses needing quick access to funds and who are aware of the potential costs. It's not the cheapest route, but if speed and ease are your top priorities, OnDeck is worth considering. Make sure to evaluate if you can handle the repayments given the APR. And if possible, explore multiple lenders to ensure you're getting the best terms for your business needs.